बिस्मिल्लाहिर्रहमानिर्रहीम। अस्सलाम वालेकुम। लास्ट वीडियो में प्रैक्टिस सेट 5.1 के फर्स्ट और सेकेंड क्वेश्चन के सॉल्यूशन को हमने समझे थे। आइए समझते हैं प्रैक्टिस सेट 5.1 का थर्ड क्वेश्चन। लेट अस सी हाउ टू सॉल्व नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन ऑफ प्रैक्टिस सेट 5.1। Find the point on the x-axis which is equidistant from A. Coordinates of A are -3, 4 and point B coordinates are 1 and -4. Now here point on the x-axis, therefore write down here, let P be the point on the x-axis. Therefore, its y coordinate is 0. Therefore, the coordinates of point P are x, 0. Let us consider here now. Point P is equidistant from points A and B. Therefore, it is given in the question, therefore AP is equal to BP. Now look here, our aim is to find distance between AP as well as distance between BP. Now the coordinates of point A are -3, 4 and point P x, 0. Now here coordinate of point B are 1, -4 and point P are x, 0. Now by distance formula, look here, let us consider the coordinates are x1, y1, here x2, y2. Now here also x1, y1 and x2, y2. Now substituting the values here, x2 minus x1 whole square means x minus of 3 whole square plus y2 minus y1 whole square, 0 minus 4 whole square is equal to, now by distance formula, BP is equal to x2 minus x1 whole square means x minus 1 whole square plus y2 minus y1 whole square. Now solve it, x minus plus 3 whole square plus we get here minus 4 whole square is equal to x minus 1 whole square plus 0 plus 4 whole square. Now squaring both the sides we get x plus 3 whole square plus minus 4 whole square is equal to, here also x minus 1 whole square plus 4 whole square. Write on here, squaring both the sides. Now apply the formula here, a plus b whole square, therefore x square plus 3 2s are 6x plus 3 square means 9 plus 4 minus 4 whole square 16 is equal to, now here apply formula identity, a minus b whole square which is equal to a square minus 2ab plus b square. Write down here, x square minus 2x plus 1 plus 4 square means 16. Now x square cancel, 16 is also cancelled. Look here, Now take all the terms of the variable at left hand side. We get 6x minus 2x. Shifting to the left hand side, we get plus 2x is equal to, now the constant number is 1, plus 9. Shifting to the right hand side, we get minus 9. Therefore 6x plus 2x, we get 8x is equal to 1 minus 9 minus 8. Now dividing by 8 both side, we get x is equal to minus 8 upon 8. Solid. 8 ones are 8 ones are. The value of x is equal to minus 1. Therefore coordinate of point P are minus 1 comma 0. Now write down the answer here. The coordinates of point on x-axis equidistance from points A and B are P minus 1 comma 0. Now next question is, verify that points P, Q and R are vertices of a right angle triangle. Now in right angle triangle, we know that sum of square of two sides of right angle triangle is equal to the square of the hypotenuse. Therefore our aim is to find distance PQ, QR and PR. Write down here solution. P minus 2 comma 2, Q 2 comma 2, R 2 comma 7. Now by distance formula, first find PQ. Therefore PQ is equal to, now look here, x1 y1 x2 y2. Substituting the values, x2 minus x1 whole square plus y2 minus y1 whole square. Now we get PQ is equal to 2 plus 2 whole square plus 2 minus 2 0 square, which is equal to 2 plus 2 4 square means 16, which is equal to 4. Therefore value of PQ is equal to 4. Give it equation number 1. Now next distance is QR. Now apply the formula here. Now look at the points Q and R. Let us consider x1 y1, here x2 and y2. Now substituting the values, we get 2 minus 2 whole square plus 7 minus 2 whole square. Now we get here 2 minus 2 0 square plus 7 minus 2 5 square. Solid. 0 square plus 5 square means 25. Now square root of 25 is equal to 5. Therefore the value of QR is equal to 5. Give it equation number 2. And third distance is PR. PR is equal to, now look here, the coordinates of PR, let us consider x1 y1, here it is x2 and y2. Now substituting the values, we get 2 minus of minus 2 whole square plus 7 minus 2 whole square. Therefore PR is equal to 2 minus minus plus 2 whole square plus 7 minus 2 5 whole square is equal to, now solid, 2 plus 2 4 square plus 5 square. 4 square 16 plus 25. Now add 5 plus 6 11 1 carry 1, 2 plus 1 3 plus 1 4. Therefore the value of PR is equal to square root of 41. Give it equation number 3. Look here, PQ में हमने वैल्यू हासिल किया था 4, QR में 5 और PR में 41. अगर ये दोनों का स्क्वायर लेते हैं हम, 4 स्क्वायर में 16 और 5 का स्क्वायर 25, तो 16 में 25 अगर हम ऐड कर लेते हैं तो हमें यहाँ पे मिल जाएगा 41. देयरफॉर राइट डाउन हियर, देयरफॉर PQ स्क्वायर प्लस QR स्क्वायर इज इक्वल टू, substituting the values we get 4 square plus 5 square is equal to 16 plus 25 is equal to 41, and PR square is equal to square root of 41 whole square. Now here square and square root are cancelled, we get 41. Therefore we can write here now here give it equation number 4 and it is 5. From equation 4 and 5, PQ square plus QR square is equal to PR square. Therefore by converse of Pythagoras theorem, write down here, by converse of Pythagoras theorem, triangle PQR is a right angle triangle. Therefore points P, Q and R are vertices of a right angle triangle. Now next question is, show that points P, Q, R and S are vertices of a parallelogram. Now here 4 points are given. We know that if both the pairs of its opposite sides are congruent, then the given quadrilateral is a parallelogram. पैरेललोग्राम में जो अपोजिट साइड्स होते हैं वो कॉन्ग्रुएंट होते हैं. तो हमें ध्यान दीजिए, एक रफ डायग्राम अगर हम यहाँ बना लेते हैं, P, Q, R, S. Now let us find the value distance PQ, QR, RS and PS. Write down here solution. Points P 2 minus 2, Q 7, 3, R 11 minus 1 and S 6 minus 6. Now apply the distance formula here by distance formula. Now first find the distance PQ. Therefore for PQ write down the coordinates of P and Q. Let us consider coordinates are x1, y1, here x2, y2. Now apply the formula by distance formula. PQ is equal to, now we know that formula is x2 minus x1 whole square plus y2 minus y1 whole square. Now substituting the values we get x2 means 7, 7 minus 2 whole square plus y2 3 minus of minus 2 whole square. Solid. 7 minus 2, 5 whole square plus 3 minus minus plus 2 whole square. Solid. 5 square plus 5 square. We get 25 plus 25. Now we get here square root of 50. Now look here. 50 is not a perfect square. Therefore, factorize 50 into two numbers such that one number should be a perfect square. Therefore, we can write here 25 into 2. Therefore, value of PQ is equal to 5 square root of 2. Give it equation number 1. Now, next, find out the value of QR. Next one is Q. The coordinates are, write down here, 7, 3, and the coordinates of R are 11 minus 1. Let us consider x1, y1 here, x2, y2. Now, by distance formula again, the value of RQ is equal to, RQR is equal to x2 minus x1 whole square plus y2 minus y1 whole square. Now substituting the values, we get 11 minus 7 whole square plus minus 1 minus 3 whole square. Solve it. 11 minus 7, 4 square plus minus 1 minus 3 means minus 4 whole square. 4 square means 16. 16 plus 16. Now we get here square root of 16 plus 16, 32. Square root of 32. Now 32 is not a perfect square. Therefore, factors of 32 are 16 into 2. Now the value of RQ is equal to 4 square root of 2. Give it equation number 2. And next distance is RS. Now the coordinates are 11 minus 1 and S 6 minus 6. Let us consider x1, y1, here x2, y2. Now by distance formula, RS is equal to x2 minus x1 whole square plus y2 minus y1 whole square. Now substituting the values, we get 6 minus 11 whole square plus minus 6 minus of minus 1 whole square. Solid. 6 minus 11, 5 whole square plus minus 6 minus minus plus 1 whole square. 5 square plus minus 6 plus 1 minus 5 whole square. Solid. 5 square means 25 plus minus 5 whole square 25. We get here square root of 50. Therefore, RS is equal to, now the factors of 50 are 25 into 2. Therefore, value of RS is equal to 5 square root of 2. Give it equation number 3. Now, next distance is SP or PS. Now the coordinates of point S are 6 minus 6 and P are 2 minus 2. Let us consider x1, y1, here x2, y2. Now by distance formula, SP is equal to, substituting the values, we get 2 minus 6 whole square plus minus 2 minus of minus 6 whole square. Solve it. 2 minus 6 minus 4 whole square plus minus 2 minus minus plus 6 whole square is equal to minus 4 whole square plus 6 4 square is equal to minus 4 whole square 16 plus 16. We get here 32. Now factors of 32 is, therefore SP is equal to 16 into 2. Now the value of SP is equal to 4 square root of 2. Give it equation number 4. Now look here. Equation 1, 5√2 और इक्वेशन 3 में 5√2 दोनों इक्वल आ गया, दोनों वैल्यू है PQRS। नाउ लुक हियर फिगर, PQRS ये दोनों जो अपोजिट पेयर है ये कॉन्ग्रुएंट हो गए। नाउ फ्रॉम इक्वेशन सेकेंड एंड फोर्थ, लुक हियर, in equation second and fourth we get 4 square root of 2 means RQ and SP. Look here figure, RQ it is congruent to SP. Now in quadrilateral, write down here PQRS, PQ is equal to RS from equation 1 and 3, and second pair is RQ is equal to SP from equation second and equation 4. We know that a quadrilateral is a parallelogram, write down here. If both the pairs of its opposite sides are congruent, therefore quadrilateral PQRS is a parallelogram. Therefore write down the answer here. Therefore points P 2 minus 2 Q 7 minus 3 R 11 minus 1 and S 6 minus 6 are vertices of a parallelogram. Next question is 6. Show that points A, B, C and D are vertices of a rhombus ABCD. Now we know that in a rhombus all sides are equal. Therefore find out the distance AB, BC, CD and AD. यहाँ हम एक रफ डायग्राम बनाते हैं, A, B, C, D. Now find out the distance AB, then BC, then CD, then AD. अगर ये चारों डिस्टेंस इक्वल आते हैं तो हम कहेंगे कि जो पॉइंट्स है ABCD ये रोम्बस के वर्टाइसेस हैं. Now write down the solution here. Points are given: A -4 -7, B -1 2, C 8 5 and D 5 and -4. Now first find out distance AB. Therefore the coordinates are -4 -7 and the coordinates of B are -1 and 2. Look here, apply distance formula, write down. By distance formula, now the value of AB is equal to, the formula is x2 minus x1 whole square plus y2 minus y1 whole square. Now let us consider the coordinates are x1 y1, here x2 and y2. Therefore write down AB is equal to square root. Substituting the values here, we get minus 1 minus of minus 4 whole square plus, now the value of y2 is 2, minus of minus 7 whole square. Therefore, AB is equal to solid minus 1 minus minus plus 4 whole square plus 2 minus minus plus 7 whole square is equal to minus 1 plus 4 3 square plus 2 plus 7 9 square, solid 3 square 9 plus 9 square 81, which is equal to 90, square root of 90. Now the factors of 90 are, write down here, AB is equal to 9 into 10. It can be written as AB is equal to, look here, square root of 9 is equal to 3 and square root of 10. Give it equation number 1. Next, find out the distance BC. Therefore, coordinates are minus 1, 2 and point C coordinates are 8, 5. Now by distance formula, BC is equal to x2 minus x1 whole square plus y2 minus y1 whole square. Let us consider the coordinates are x1, y1, here x2 and y2. Now substituting the values, we get 8 minus of minus 1 whole square plus 5 minus 2 whole square. Now solid 8 minus minus plus 1 whole square plus 5 minus 2 3 square is equal to 8 plus 1 9 square plus 3 square, solid 9 square 81 plus 9. Now we get here 90. Now the factors of 90 are 9 into 10. The factors of 90 are 9 into 10. Therefore, value of BC is equal to square root of 9 means 3, square root of 10. Give it equation number 2. Now, next distance is find CD. Now the coordinates of point C are 8, 5 and D are 5 minus 4. Let us consider x1, y1, here x2 and y2. Now apply the distance formula. By distance formula, CD is equal to square root of x2 minus x1 whole square means 5 minus 8 whole square plus y2 minus y1 whole square, y2 minus y1 whole square, solid 5 minus 8 we get minus 3 whole square plus minus 4 minus 5 means minus 9 whole square, solid minus 3 whole square means 9 plus minus 9 whole square means 81, which is equal to 90. Now the factors of 90 are 9 into 10. Therefore, we get the value of CD is equal to, now square root of 9 means 3 into square root of 10. Give it equation number 3. And next distance is AD. Now the coordinates of point A are minus 4, minus 7 and the coordinates of point D are 5 minus 4. Now by distance formula, write down here AD is equal to x2 minus x1 whole square. Let us consider x1 here, y1 here, x2, y2. Now by distance formula, x2 minus x1 whole square means 5 minus of minus 4 whole square plus y2 minus y1 whole square minus 4 minus of minus 7 whole square. Now solid 5 minus minus plus 4 whole square plus minus 4 minus minus plus 7 whole square is equal to 5 plus 4 9 square plus -4 plus 7, we get here 3 square. Solid. 9 square, 81 plus 3 square means 9. Now 81 plus 9, we get here square root of 90. Now the factors of 90 are 80 is equal to 9 into 10. Therefore, the value of 80 is equal to 3 into square root of 10. Give it equation number 4. Now look here. In equation number 1, we get 3 square root of 10. In equation number 2, 3 square root of 10. Look here, equation number 3, we get same value, 3 square root of 10. And in equation number 4, it is also same, 3 square root of 10. Now from equation 1, equation 2, equation 3 and equation 4, AB is equal to BC is equal to CT is equal to AD. Means all sides of quadrilateral ABCD are equal here. Therefore, quadrilateral ABCD is a rhombus. Therefore, write down the answer here. Points A -4 -7, B -1 2, C 8 5 and D 5 -4 are vertices of rhombus ABCD. Next question is find x if distance between points L and M is 10. Now write down here. The points are given here. L coordinates are x and 7 and the coordinates of point M are 1 and 15. And LM, the value of LM is 10. It is given. Now by distance formula, ध्यान दीजिए यहाँ x दिया गया है तो हम इसे ले लेंगे, ये जो पॉइंट्स है इसे हम कंसीडर कर लेते हैं x1 y1 और इसे कंसीडर कर लेते हैं x2 y2। दोनों में आंसर हमें सेम ही मिलता है। तो बाय डिस्टेंस फार्मूला x2 माइनस x1 होल स्क्वायर मीन्स x माइनस 1 होल स्क्वायर प्लस y2 माइनस y1 होल स्क्वायर मीन्स 7 माइनस 15 होल स्क्वायर। लेफ्ट हैंड साइड में हमने यह डिस्टेंस फार्मूला लगा के LM की वैल्यू यहाँ फाइंड आउट किया है विच इज़ इक्वल टू 10। नाउ सॉलिड x माइनस 1 होल स्क्वायर प्लस 7 माइनस 15 वी गेट हियर माइनस 8 होल स्क्वायर is equal to 10. Squaring both the sides we get x minus 1 whole square plus minus 8 whole square is equal to 100. Squaring both sides. Now therefore x minus 1 whole square is equal to 100. Now 8 square means 64. It is shifting to the right hand side. We get minus 64. Therefore, x minus 1 whole square is equal to 100 minus 64. We get here 36. Now look here. Taking square root on both sides, we get, write down here, taking square root on both sides, we get Now here x minus 1 is equal to plus minus 6. Therefore x minus 1 is equal to 6, or the value of x minus 1 is equal to minus 6. Therefore x is equal to 6. Minus 1 shifting to the right hand side, we get plus 1, which is equal to 7, or x is equal to minus 6. Minus 1 shifting to the right hand side, we get plus 1, which is equal to minus 5. Now here we get two values of x, 7 and minus 5. Therefore value of x is equal to 7, or here the value of x is equal to minus 5. Now write down the answer. Therefore the value of x is equal to 7, or value of x is equal to minus 5. Now next question is, show that the points A, B, C are vertices of an equilateral triangle. Now we know that in equilateral triangles all sides are equal. Therefore write down the solution here. Now the coordinates of point A are 1, 2, point B are 1, 6, and point C are 1 plus 2 square root of 3, 4. Now find out the distance AB, then BC, then AC. Therefore by distance formula, AB is equal to, now look here, let us consider x1, y1, here x2, y2. Now substituting the values here, we get x2 minus x1 whole square means 1 minus 1 whole square plus y2 minus y1 whole square, 6 minus 2 whole square. Therefore the value of AB is equal to 1 minus 1, 0 square plus 6 minus 2, 4 square, which is equal to 4 square means 16 is equal to 4. Therefore value of AB is equal to 4. Give it equation number 1. Now next distance is BC. Now BC by distance formula. Now look here, B and C, x1, y1, here x2, y2. Now substituting the values, we get 1 plus 2 square root of 3, x2 minus 1 x1 whole square plus y2 4 minus 6 whole square. Therefore BC is equal to, now plus 1 minus 1 cancel, 2 square means 4 into square root of 3 square, square and square root are cancelled. Now we get here 3 plus 4 minus 6 minus 2 whole square. Now solve it. 4 into 3, 12 plus minus 2 whole square means 4. 12 plus 4, 16, square root of 16, which is equal to 4. Therefore value of BC is equal to 4. Give it equation number 2. Now next one, and next distance is AC. Now by distance formula, AC, apply the formula here, x1, y1, here it is x2 and y2. Now substituting the values, we get 1 plus 2 square root of 3 x2 minus x1 whole square plus y2 4 minus 2 whole square. Therefore AC is equal to plus 1 minus 1 are cancelled. 2 square means 4 into square root of 3 square, square and square root are cancelled. Now we get here 3 plus 4 minus 2 means 2 whole square, which is equal to 4 into 3, 12 plus 2 square 4, 12 plus 4 square root of 16, which is also equal to 4. Now it is the value of AC. Therefore, AC is equal to 4. Equation number 3. Now look here. From equation 1, 2 and 3. Write down here. From equation 1, equation 2 and equation 3. AB is equal to BC is equal to AC. Means all sides are equal here. Therefore, write down the answer. Triangle ABC is an equilateral triangle. Now write down the answer here. Therefore, points A 1, 2, B 1, 6 and C 1 plus 2 square root of 3, 4 are vertices of an equilateral triangle. Allah Hafiz.